If you're like most 6-liter owners, your factory coolant reservoir is probably ready for a replacement. The XDP 6-liter coolant recovery tank offers you with an affordable and direct fit option. Also known as a degas bottle or expansion tank, the coolant recovery tank reservoir is always overlooked during normal maintenance. In many instances, the factory tank turns yellow, cracks, and even develops leaks over time. XDP's coolant recovery tank features an OE-style design and looks factory under the hood of your truck. It uses all existing hoses, clamps, and mounting locations for an easy installation. When replacing the tank, we also recommend replacing the cap. The XD215 coolant recovery tank cap is also available. To find out more about the 6-liter coolant recovery tank, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.